Most of the advice see online about making money is actively setting you up for failure. The side hustles that built empires over the last 5 years are being completely erased right now. In 2026, we have officially moved past basic chatbots. We are in the era of fully autonomous AI clusters, digital workers that don't sleep, don't demand a salary, and can complete a week's worth of human freelancing in under 3 seconds. If your income stream relies on simple digital repetition, you are standing on a melting ice cube. Today, we are stripping away the hype. I am warning you about the exact 7 income streams that AI is replacing this year, and more importantly, I'm giving you the precise, high-leverage pivots you need to make instead to secure your financial freedom. Let's look at the data. Part 1. The deflation of digital commodities. Let's start with the immediate danger zones: basic copywriting, entry-level video editing, and simple translation. For years, beginners flocked to platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to write SEO articles, clip simple TikToks, or translate documents. It was a reliable way to make a few $100s a day. Well, not anymore. With advanced multimodal models, anyone can input a raw document and get a perfect, localized translation with cultural context in real time. Video generation engines can instantly ingest raw footage, cut it to the beat, add flawless captions, and color grade it autonomously. If your service can be ordered via a generic prompt, your pricing power is dead. The market value of pure digital execution has dropped to 0. Part 2. The automated middlemen, flipping and coding. The second category hitting the chopping block is basic coding and low-end web design. If your business model is building simple WordPress sites or writing basic Python scripts for clients, you are competing directly with a machine that does it for pennies. Beginners are now using natural language to design, backtest, and deploy functional applications in minutes without writing a single line of code. Similarly, basic service arbitrage, where you act as a middleman just passing a standard file from an AI tool to an uneducated client, is collapsing. Our clients are getting smarter. They don't need to pay a human premium for an unedited AI output. If you aren't adding deep strategic value, you are obsolete. Part 3. The 2026 pivot. What to do instead. So, what is the survival blueprint? How do you build an untouchable digital empire in this landscape? You stop being the laborer, and you start being the architect. Instead of writing the copy, you build the automated AI workflows for businesses that replace their entire content department. Instead of coding a basic website, you use advanced AI orchestration to build micro SaaS applications that solve a highly specific, high-ticket problem for local industries. The wealth in 2026 isn't made by competing with AI. It's made by owning the distribution and applying human psychology. AI can generate data, but it cannot understand human emotion, brand identity, or complex business strategy. You pivot from a simple service provider to a high-value consultant who wires AI systems directly into a company's revenue engine. The transition happening right now is brutal, but it represents the greatest wealth transfer of our generation. The people who refuse to adapt will be replaced. The ones who learn to orchestrate these automated systems will command unimaginable leverage. Stop selling your time for basic digital tasks. Start building assets that scale. If you want to master the systems driving real wealth in this new economy, make sure to hit that subscribe button. This is AI Wealth Pulse, and I'll see you in the next session.